Here we've got Sharp AQUOS R2, and let me show you how to turn on or off touch sounds on the following device. So as you can see, actually as you can hear, currently it is active, so you can hear each of my tap. And if you want to deactivate it, you need to reach the settings, then go to the sound and select advanced. Scroll a bit lower and under other sounds and vibration, you will notice touch sounds. Smoothly turn it off, and from now on, it's no longer active. So this is it, that would be all. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.